This episode will go over opportunities, the format and structure, and how to create an opportunity. If we come to our CRM tab, again we have our three commonly used topics. Click into the opportunity page, and this will bring up the opportunity listings. You can also notice that your previously viewed pages are in the recent area, so if you want to quickly reference back to a page that you're previously on, you can click onto one of the subcategories here and it'll take you back to the main page. This is the opportunity section, and you have all the filter options here: status, salesperson, account coordinator, contact name, confidence, expected date, opportunity date, and completed yes or no. Completed is if the opportunity has ended already. It defaults to no, so it only has new opportunities that are available to view. Opportunity status is where the opportunity is in its life cycle. You can see that these opportunities have been quoted already. This one is waiting for quoting. You have the opportunity number and the customer name. This is where creating a customer is so important, because as you can see, the customer is Jancy on this opportunity, but is the contact's main name on this opportunity. If you do not create a customer after you create the account, then it will default to the main contact's name on the opportunity number. This is a brief description of the program. We have the salesperson, the assigned coordinator, which will be your home coordinator. Your confidence level allows us to better forecast for upcoming jobs. As you can see, the customer is in here. These two do not have customers attached to them. Contact name, opportunity date, expected order date. So we can come into here. The first button here is the view button. You can do a quick edit, or you can remove the opportunity altogether by clicking the down arrow. If we come in here and click the view button, now we get the extended information. General information that we saw on the first page. The extended description is where you will put in your extended description. So it is a more in-depth overview of the project. It gives the coordinator or anyone else coming into the project an overview of the project, and this will start the path on moving it into the quoting phase. As you can see, the account information is linked here, and once you start the new phase or the new opportunity, this opportunity status will say new, and we'll go over that in a bit. Just for the overview of the opportunity, you can see here the opportunity lines. An opportunity line is a line item on each quote. So it's a different variation of a display, or it is a different configuration or an add-on that we can add in. Same thing, quick edit and the view button. You can also just click directly into the line. And now you can see that there's two options within this line. If we come to the lit counter display, now we have, again, a part number, description, and extended description. This is everything that will be going into the display. You can see the quantity breaks down here with the unit price, and then the decline for the multiple orders. A nice little feature here is the tree. So you can see that it starts from the top opportunity, goes down into the lines. You can close these windows here, and then you can click directly into other opportunities or opportunity lines. Same thing, extended description with the quantity breaks. Now, once all the opportunity lines are in, flushed out, numbers attached, it will automatically generate a quote. And we have the different quote lines here. If you come into Documents and Notes, if the quote has been exported already, then you will be able to see a PDF. The PDF will open on or download, and then you can click it open. And then here is the quote. This section is still getting reformatted, so it is presentable to client. But as you can see, it has the names, the description, and then it has the different line items. Once again, this is getting formatted to be more presentable to client. It is currently not acceptable to be presented as a quote. So now, if we come back into the opportunity section, we can add an opportunity. You can see the date. It will come up with your login information. You will select your home coordinator, salesperson name. Opportunity status will be new. Let's take a brief moment to go through the opportunity statuses. New is once you input the opportunity status and it has not been received by a coordinator. Received means the coordinator has viewed the opportunity and is now in the process of gathering the information for sales order or sales lines. To be quoted means that the coordinator has finished the sales lines and has sent it to the quoting department. Quoted means that the our opportunity has been quoted and is waiting to be sent to the client. Pending means that it is sitting with the client. Requote means that there's something needs to be adjusted on the quote and needs to go back to requoting. And then closed means that the opportunity is finished or has moved on to a project and has been activated. Expected order date, self-explanatory. Quote completion, if there needs to be a specific time or a date that the quote needs to be completed by, you can click into here and then you can add a time to it also. Account, this will come over from your lead, or you can click the arrow to add an account. We use the company that we developed in the previous lead generation video. Extended description. This is where you put the detailed information, and then you put a quick description here. If you need a requote, you will put the notes into this requote notes section, type out the detailed list of the adjustments that you need, and the quoting department will be able to look at that and use that in the requoting process or be able to contact you with any questions. So once this information is in, you will save. It's always good to save after you put in the information, just in case you lose the page and you will lose all your information. Now, as a sales team member, you will stay here and you will leave it for the coordinator to come in and pick up the opportunity. Coordinators will come in, pick up the opportunity, and they will add the opportunity lines. They will contact you to get clarity on what the opportunity lines are. This is an opportunity for you and the coordinator to communicate on what the expectations are on the job. They are putting in the opportunity line so they can begin to develop a cohesive understanding of what the project entails.